Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and page. My people, Kasala don burst. Kasala don burst for Ned Nwoko's palace as Laila and Regina Daniel don start their war. This one na serious gbas. But wetin come happen be say I don't know why Laila would accuse Regina for anything. Despite the fact that Regina Daniel left Ned Nwoko and Laila was maybe, I don't know, like say he's pretending as if she was with Regina, because there was a time we heard that Laila and Regina, they team up and they exposed Ned Nwoko's secret. So when all of these things was happening, people were like, Ned Nwoko also denied Regina Daniel access to her children, and Laila tried to help her but couldn't help her because their husband is so strong and so serious with them. If you do anyhow, you receive anyhow. But right now, what we come dey hear be say the same Laila wey dey show Regina love, wey we dey see saying dey show Regina love, don come out now to fight the same Regina Daniel. Guys, I don't know, is it because of Ned Nwoko love Regina Daniel too much? But sometimes some people will tell you that Laila is the most loved one, that Ned Nwoko love Laila more than Regina. Some people will tell you that it's Regina that Ned Nwoko love pass. But now, Regina Daniel left Ned Nwoko and stayed outside for like 2 weeks, and Ned missed Regina, and there was also a time Laila left Ned Nwoko too, even though that time it seems like Regina have not come in. I don't know whether she don't come in or not, whether he don't marry Regina. But right now, Ned have witnessed the absence of Regina, what absence of Regina brought to him, and what presence of Regina also brought to him. So, but right now, since Regina Daniel came back, will I say that Laila have been somehow praying that Regina should not come back again? Because with what is happening right now, you will see say, e be like say Laila dey pray may Regina Daniel not come back at all. Okay, the other time we heard that Regina Daniel and Laila used to have gbas because of Ned Nwoko taking Regina out and taking Laila out, something like that. That day that Regina is supposed to celebrate her birthday, Laila and Ned Nwoko, they went out. They went for shopping, leaving Regina to celebrate her birthday alone. Regina Daniel was not happy with that particular issue. Now, Laila is not a social media type, but I think she's now learning. She's not a social media type, but she's now learning. So because of that, Laila and Regina Daniel and Ned Nwoko, they normally go out. They normally go out for events. Okay, when Regina left, Laila was the one going out with Ned for this how many weeks. Later, it happened that Laila disappointed Ned. When Ned asked her to get prepared that they are going out, she did not meet up with the appointment. She did not prepare because she was giving excuses that Ned Nwoko took her on her way. Did not tell her, did not give her enough time, did not give her enough information on time so that she will get prepared. That if it is Regina Daniel, Ned will give Regina Daniel 3 hours, 5 hours, 2 days, 3 days notice so that Regina will get her new clothes and get prepared. And that is why he used to complain then that Laila doesn't make up. She doesn't look nice when they want to go out. That kind of thing. But right now, what we come to hear be say, because of say Regina Daniel and Ned Nwoko, e be like say they are too closer than, as in these two are too closer. Laila don dey accuse Regina of using wetin the juju on their husband. They accuse Regina of using juju on their husband. And I was like, wetin come happen? Regina Daniel, wey say this girl sef, she never even think about getting juju. If at all such a thing will happen, it will not come from her. Yes, it will not come from her. If such a thing will happen, it might come from her mother. But I know that her mother has not done anything for this juju issue though. Just that Laila is accusing her of using juju. Not only that, this same Laila that is supposed to be the one taking care of Regina Daniel's children, accusing Regina of using juju on their husband. Why? Because um Regina Daniel and Ned Nwoko, they are more closer. E be like say dat outing sef wey Regina Daniel and Ned dey go together, Laila no even like am. But Laila is not a social media type, even though we hear say she don dey learn. Why is she complaining? Ned Nwoko was even surprised that Laila said such a thing. And Regina Daniel on her own have been crying, saying that this is why she want to leave this polygamy. Polygamy no be your mate o, e no be your mate at all at all. If you see anybody wey dey for polygamous home like dat kain thing na, come dey live for dat marriage o, no problem. Even if problem dey come out, because of problem go dey come out na, dat one na for sure. Problem must come out. Abeg give dat person kudos, dat person dey try well well. Anybody wey dey for polygamous home wey you know, give dem kudos. Me sef I no go even try dat kain thing. Oh seriously, any kain money wey you fit get, chop am for yourself. You see. But Ned Nwoko don give Laila serious warning, give Laila serious warning make e no try am again. No even use mouth talk am again say Regina Daniel dey use juju on him. Dat he loves who he choose to love. Whoever he wants to love, he love. Of course, he never love any of them more than another person, as Ned Nwoko dey talk o. Ned Nwoko, according to what he said, that Regina Daniel is loved, Laila is loved. All of them, that all of his wife wey still dey marry am, that he love all of them. He no even love anybody pass. Just that Regina Daniel make am to be more popular. That it was after he married Regina Daniel, people began to know him more. He became more popular than before. Of course, nobody know him before. If he get money, he get money for him family, for him pocket. But it was after Regina Daniel married him, he married Regina Daniel, that was when people started knowing that somebody like billionaire Ned Nwoko exists. And this is more of the reason why he must love Regina. Apart from that Regina is well known in that their Senate house. I think they made her secretary to the wives of senators. And if she leave and without coming back, Ned Nwoko is going to answer question, not query. He will answer question until he gets tired of answering question. This just 1 week or 2 weeks that Regina left the house, do you know the kind of question he have answered? Both the one that he tried answering and was lying, and Regina Daniel was like, why not say the truth? You see? And that one even caused problem between him and Regina. And Laila, not Regina. So guys, according to wetin we dey hear, that Laila don dey accuse Regina say im dey use juju on their husband, because of e be like say Ned dey show Regina Daniel more love than Laila. But don't forget that na person character dey make people show love more than another person. And person fit dey show you love o, you no go value am. The person wey dey show little shikini love go value am pass you wey dem dey give bigger one. So na that person wey value, wey talk say dey show me love, na that person we know say im dey show love. Because you wey be like say e dey show you love, you no dey value, you no dey talk about it. How do we know that you are loved? You know that kind thing now. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and please do what to subscribe. Dare to subscribe and tell me what to think about this on the comment section. Okay, bye.